Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do here is something they tell you never to do except with a fixed blade knife, but I don't know. I don't follow the rules too much, but you know, just saying, hey, in an extreme circumstance, you know, might need to slide back here a little. In extreme circumstance, you know, I mean, you just got to do what you've got to do. So I just want to show you, and I've done this a lot. So, but we're going into this maple. Once again, you know, pretty hard wood, pretty fine grain. It's some tough stuff. You know, you can't just snap this stuff. So, but you know, they say, you know, you should never baton with a folding knife. But you know, I don't know. Like I say, I've done it quite a bit. Now, if you're out in the woods, it's been rainy or snowy or whatever, everything out there is wet, and you're trying to find something dry. You know, you find some standing dead or whatever, get you some chunks of it, and you know, start splitting it out and try to get to the core of it, and you know, that'll be the core of it'll be, you know, dry. So that way, you know, as long as you can split some wood, you know, you can get to something dry, and you're good to go. So, even though they say, you know, don't baton with a folding knife, you can do it, even though it's not recommended. But what I do is I put pressure on the back side, and I try to keep the blade as far as I can sticking out, so that I'm not having too much leverage on it. But then I just push down a little bit with my hand here, and then just baton with it like that. And here again, you know, it's not as obviously not as good and effective as if you had a fixed blade knife. But I'll tell you what, I don't know that I'd want to do this with a cheap knife or something like that, but this Swiss Army, this stuff is good quality. This knife here is right out of my kit, but I've got one that I carry with me most of the time. I've had since the early 80s, and I tell you, I've abused the heck out of it, but it's still hanging on. This is some very nice dry wood here in the center of this. So anyway, there's that. Here's some oak that I had trimmed up around here. And you see, we can baton with this little Swiss knife, all right. So you just don't want to have real big diameters or, you know, that sort of thing, you know. It's got to be small enough you can have enough blade sticking out to baton on the end of it there. But there we go. We got some little fine stuff, and the center of this is very dry. There you go. Batoning with a Swiss Army knife. One of the exciting features. I'll just do a little more here. So even that's a little tough piece in there, big old knot in it, but we still got through it all right. So there we go. Batoning with the Swiss Army knife. Right now, I've got a piece of about inch and 3/4, almost 2-inch diameter maple, and I'm going to go ahead and baton this. See, I hardly even have anything sticking out, so it's going to be tough, but let's give it a shot. And I'm barely reaching the tip out here. I may not be able to do it, but it's about to go. I'm breaking my baton now. Now it's just a matter of seeing if I can do it. So I tap it firm on the back side and then try to give it some sharp rapid blows on the front while holding pressure on the back. There we go, we got it. You know, you're never going to do that, but probably. But you know, I just want to, show the, the possibilities,